Beautiful people, here we are, Marcrist HQ in Doncaster. So up till now, we've been using and loving the PG 750X. This is a 6mm diamond drill bit. However, there's the brand new 850X. So this has got M-mesh technology. So it's a new improved design. You'll get a lot more holes, and these are going to be available. So the 6mm available now. There's also these brand new kits that are going to be coming out. They're available in all sizes from 6 to 82mm. So this is an M14 attachment. So these are designed to lock straight onto a grinder without a locking ring. It's exactly the same as your conventional diamond drill bits. You also get an 850X, a 6mm piece, and a polishing pad as well. So these are lovely kits, and they come in both configurations. You've got the M14 and then the standard grinder. So beautiful kit, but performance. Let's get involved. PG 850X. So we're having a competition on grade 5 porcelain. So these are the Villeroy & Boch tiles. How close you can get a 6mm diamond bit to the edge of the tile. Beautiful people, check this out. So CK850, all love and use this diamond blade. Now they give you the option of a spin on flange. So this is designed just to go direct, the same as all the dry bits. M14 fitting straight onto the grinder, and then these just spin straight on. So direct fix, M14 straight onto the grinder. We're clamped down. We're just going to show you doing a simple freehand mitre. So ear protection and eye protection as always. So we've just cut with our CK850 with a spin-on flange, a 45-degree freehand cut. So we've done our mitre, and as with any mitre, you want to set it back a couple of mil from the very edge so it doesn't blister out. These are Villeroy & Boch grade 5 porcelain, so they're super tough. Once we've done it, we've then used our diamond pads. So like sandpaper, they come in a variety of grits. So we've used a 50 and then 100. So all we've done here, he's gone over the edge to get rid of any light blemishes and to take the sharp edge off. And then, like with sandpaper, you increase the number. So obviously the higher the number, the higher or finer the grade. And then you can use this on the edge like so. And you get a perfect finish. Then the result is that. So the thing about miters, they come in twos. So we've done the first one, so we're going to 45 the other tile and show you how well they meet. Let's go.